favorite Chef Ricardo cooking program. Well, this evening we're gonna make you a Mother's Day dinner, which is gonna come Sunday. Well, guys, we're gonna make you a special little dish. I did it before and I'm gonna do it one more time again. Right over here I have some chicken straight inside of this bowl. So what I'm gonna simply do, I have some garlic, spring onion, fresh thyme, and some fresh white onion. I'm gonna pour everything straight inside of the bowl like this, guys. And I'm gonna get this marinating up this lovely beautiful chicken. And also I'm gonna put some olive oil also inside of the chicken, just like that. And we're gonna add some seasoning. So guys, hopefully you will enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm already putting my seasoning. I'm gonna get this marinated. We're gonna put it on for half an hour for it to soak. This is Mother's Day dinner. Chicken, sweet chili chicken, served with rice and some veg. Enjoy the recipe today from Chef Ricardo. So you can see, I'm already pouring my olive oil. I have some spring onion and white onion and some fresh garlic, guys. What I'm gonna simply do now is to put some seasoning. I got some seasoning right here, which I'm also gonna put right inside of it. I got some paprika. First of all, let's put on a little bit of paprika. Nice one, roughly a teaspoon of paprika. And next we're gonna put some all-purpose seasoning. Nice, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Hopefully you guys will just love the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please leave your comments if you like the recipe. Some chicken seasoning also. Teaspoon of chicken seasoning. And we can say yes, we already have put some ghost pepper. Lovely and nice. I'm gonna put a little bit of honey. Nice one. And also we're gonna put some sweet chili sauce on it, guys. And we're gonna put it straight inside of the fridge for roughly half an hour for it to get soaked. So right here I'm putting on some sweet chili sauce. Mother's Day sweet chili chicken. Serve with some rice and veg. You can make this for Mother's Day. As you can see, it's a basic, simple recipe which I thought to myself, say I could give someone this to cook for Mother's Day. Because you know, sometimes people don't like complicated recipe to cook. So yeah, sometimes it's good for them to have something just basically to cook for their mothers. So I'm gonna put a little bit more paprika on it, because the paprika give it a nice color. So roughly a tablespoon of paprika. And also let's put a little bit of soy sauce. Give it a nice color. Nice one. Lovely. So I'll give it a nice rub like this, guys. Just to get it perfect and done. Now what I'm gonna simply do, after I marinate my chicken, I'm gonna put it down for soak for 2 hours. Then after 2 hours, I'm gonna come back and put it straight inside of the oven for half an hour. Nice one. As you can see, look at that. That just beautiful and nice, guys. So now I'm gonna just clean flame this and put this for two hours for it to soak, and then we'll come back and check at it, guys. Enjoy this. So I'm gonna move the clean flame just to see how the chicken stay. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful and nice. Now I'm gonna just simply pan up my chicken now, because it's 2 hours now since I have it soaking inside of this pan. I put it in the fridge for 2 hours. I'm gonna put them out right now, guys. You guys can see what I'm talking about. I would say preheat your oven first, guys. Get the oven really hot, and then simple, basically you're gonna put them in there for half an hour. If not, give them 40 minutes inside of the oven and gas mark 6. Get a perfect cook. Hopefully you guys will love the recipe. Look at this one. This is just really nice. I love the color of the chicken. Other thing with the paprika, paprika do give the chicken a nice Mother's Day look. Seriously. And I love to use my paprika on my chicken. That's beautiful, man. So when you put the chicken like that, the next thing, just spread all of this spring onion, garlic and thyme on top of it, just like this with the sweet chili sauce. Come out really lovely and nice when it bakes in the oven. As you can see, I'm not gonna waste anything. I want everything inside of it just like this. Now we're gonna put this in the oven for half an hour. If not, give it 40 minutes and gas mark 6 or 7. If you're using a different kind of oven, guys, as I said, it's good to preheat your oven first. And also, if you use a different oven, 175 is really good. 165 is good also. So guys, hopefully you just enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We have a lot more recipe coming out day by day. I just take the chicken from the oven, guys. Just look at that. Beautiful, beautiful Mother's Day dinner, sweet chili chicken. Mwah. You're gonna love this. I'm gonna share it out. I ain't gonna put it no further. I'm just gonna share it out and make you guys see how this look with some veg. Enjoy the recipe. Nice. I just shared the Mother's Day's recipe, and as you can see, all the chicken, veg, and some plain rice. Fantastic, guys. You know what I mean? Sweet chili chicken, Mother's Day's recipe dinner. Remember, this Sunday coming is Mother's Day in London, guys. Hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We have a lot more recipe coming out for you. As you can see, this is a nice, lovely Mother's Day. Nice. So, rice, vegetable, mixed stir-fried vegetable, and also we got the chicken right there. So hopefully you will just enjoy. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We have a lot more recipe